Adiyogi, though a historical figure, he is not of the past but of the future, because never before humanity was psychologically and socially ready to approach their well-being in a scientific manner. So this is what Adiyogi represents, 112 different ways in which you can approach your well-being. If you're seeking well-being, in is the only way out. Whatever you think or limits of nature, all those limits can be crossed if only you're willing to strive. This is the fundamental message of Adiyogi. And today, Adiyogi will be giving you a Divya Darshan, something that you have not seen till today. Are you ready, huh? Now, the Honourable President will unveil the Divya Darshanam. All of you keep your eyes on Adiyogi. Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adiyogi. He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence. Devi Parvati, seeing Adiyogi reveling in ecstatic states, said, "I want to have what you have, show me the way." Adiyogi absorbed her and made her a part of himself, and hence he is the Ardhanari, the ideal man, where one half of him is woman. Seven sages, the Saptarishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization. This spectacular being is not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority. Namaha, Mahadevaya Namaha. Significance of this day and this night is who we are, where we are structured physically, is a consequence of the way the planetary system is made. If you're sensitive, for different days of the month, there are different things happening in nature, and whatever is happening in nature is also happening in this body. This particular night, there is a very strong upsurge of energy in the northern hemisphere. The maximum upward or centrifugal movement is happening at 11 degrees north latitude, and that's exactly where you're sitting right now. And also, these Velangiri mountains are known as the Kailash of the south because Adiyogi himself spent nearly 3.5 months up on this mountain. Midnight is coming, we don't want to miss the Sandhya, so we will do the Maha Mantra that the whole universe is just sound. In this complex amalgamation of sounds, there are a few key sounds. And it can open up a whole new world for you. That is what a key means. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.